Okay, we are here at Sadat Station. We want to take Red Line 1 south to Mar Girgis, direction Helwan. So we just arrived at Mar Girgis Station. You can see them right in the background there. So it's right at the station. Okay, I have to figure out how to start now. Okay, the first one is St. George Church. I'm just following my map here. So it has here. It says no filming, so I probably can't film inside. Actually, they are. Okay, just follow the sign. It says that the Virgin Mary Church is down this way. So follow through the cemetery. Looks like there's another church that is not on my map. So just outside you go into this staircase that goes down. It says the Cavern Church and the Martyrs Sergius and Bacchus, known as the Abu Serga Church. So there's an upstairs and a downstairs. We'll go upstairs. Okay, you can only go in the downstairs, and when you turn back, there's another mural thing there. There's just a tourist bazaar. It's by Mr. Men in Egypt. So it's giving you a choice of directions, and you can see the narrow alleyways here, which have become touristy, but this would have been the original quarters. Okay, it brings you to a courtyard here, and it's saying that the ancient church is down here. Okay, it says there's a wedding hall, a church, and a tomb. Okay, the Church of Saint Barbara is this one. Synagogue. Just be mindful of the rules, and I know it's really hot, but you have to wear. It's advisable to not wear shorts. So just remember the passageway, that's where all of them are. So you can just see the metro station there. That was St. George, the first one in this passageway. Will lead you into the alleyways, into all of the other ones. There's the Coptic Museum. I'm not going to pay to go into that one because I'm going to have to pay for too many things. So this is the Hanging Church. This is going to be our last stop. Okay, I'm just going to wrap now. So they're doing the prayer call from the mosque to show the mix of cultures here. The two cultures living side by side. So again, this was only 5 Egyptian pounds from the metro, and all of the churches and the synagogue were free. So this is they're going to try and overcharge you for a tour, but you can do this all by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to head back to the metro now. Thanks again for watching, and we'll be in touch again soon. Thanks. The metro is literally right there. Again, so there's the metro. It's only 5 lira to come, or 5 Egyptian pounds to come here. There's the hanging church. There's St. George's Church, so we're just going to wrap it up now.